Hello guys, welcome to next video of this playlist Python for beginners. In this playlist currently we are exploring OOPS concept, and in this video we will be exploring different types of inheritance. For that, let's move to our destination folder. So this is a destination folder. Now let's open this folder in VS Code. So the folder is open in VS Code as you can see. Now let's open today's file. The title of today's file is multiple inheritance and today's day 50. So what is multiple inheritance? The definition of multiple inheritance is in front of you, which is that multiple inheritance in Python is a feature that allows a class to inherit from multiple base classes. In simple terms, the definition says that there will be more than one base class or parent class and they will be connected to a single child. So a real life example of this concept can be you have two parents, mother and father. So these are two base class and you are only a single child. So you will be the child of your mother and father. So this is an example of multiple inheritance. I have also tried to explain the same concept diagrammatically as you can see here, where this is parent 1 and this is parent 2 and this is child which has properties of both parent 1 and parent 2 class. Now let's explore the concept using practical implementation. So this is class parent 1. It has two methods, register and login. And this is class parent 2. It has two methods, enroll and checkout. And this is a third class which is child and it has inherited two classes. First is parent 1 and parent 2. And it has two different methods, which is create course and earnings method, as you can see. After that, I have simply created the object of this child class and then call each method from each class, as you can see. So I will simply run the code. And as you can see, every method output is printed without any error, which means that in multiple inheritance, the child class can access properties of both parents, or the parents can be 2, 3, 4, 5, n number of parents. So if you have created multiple classes, you can simply inherit them here, such as parent 3 if it is created, parent 4, parent 5, and so on. But in this type of inheritance, there is one trap related to method overriding. So let's explore that trap. I will close the output. Now let's move ahead to explore that trap. So I will uncomment this small part of code. Now just look at the code and answer what will be the output. The output will be in product 2 or in product 1 according to you. I hope the answer is in your mind and you have already posted them in comment section. Now let's verify your answer by running this code. So the error is that because I have not added self here, so I will just add self so that we will pass objects here. Now let's run the code, and the answer is create course in instructor class. So the output is of above. So I will simply comment this part for now and run the code once again. So the answer is in product 1. So what happened in this section? This is class product 1. It has a method buy. This is class product 2. It has again the same method buy. So this is concept of method overriding, and I have already taught you this concept. If you have not watched this concept, then please watch previous videos. And after that, I have simply created class 3 and I have inherited these two class in sequence, product 1 and product 2. After that, the object is created and dot by method is called, which means the by method is called by this object. So it should run this method or this method, and in output it is printed product 1, which means this method got printed. The reason behind the printing of this method is that we have passed product 1 as first argument and not second argument. If you pass product 2 as first argument, then the product 2 will be printed. So let's test that first. So now I have passed product 2 first, and after that I have passed product 1. So the output will be in product 2. As you can see, the answer is correct. This concept is called method resolution order, in which the calling of specific method in case of method overriding is decided by the sequence available in the child class. So I hope you have understood that method resolution order as well as multiple inheritance in deep. That's all for today's video. If you like this video, then don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Also, if you face any queries or have any doubts, you can simply message me on Instagram or in comment section below. And the source code of today's video is available in video description. You can definitely check out that. Here comes the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video.